Hey, this is Uber Eats. I'm at, Yeah, hold on, man. I'm on the phone. Hold on. I said, hold on. I'm just on the phone.
Man, fucking you. I just asked you nicely.
I know. I just said I'm on the phone. I said, hold
your ass, nigga.
I said, hold on. I'm on the phone.
Man, fucking you, though. I'm trying to do my job. You not working. Do your, man, move.
I'm working. I'm looking for this guy.
What the fuck are you? I asked you nicely.
I just said I'm on the phone.
Job, if I ask again, you... Alright.
Hold on. Why do you want to fight me? I said, hold on.
I'm disrespecting me and I'm telling you to
I said, hold on. I'm on the phone. I'm calling this guy.
Move, man. I'm trying to do my job.
All you had to do was wait 1 second.
I'm not waiting shit.
I'm dropping off food.
I don't give a shit. You in my way of working.
Oh my God.
I'm not in your way of working, though.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, what?
I said, hold on 1 second. I said, hold on 1 second.
No, you don't get to say that.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you don't get to say
why are you fighting at me? Why do you want to fight me?
This is my job. You in my way.
I'm working too.
Nicely to move.
Why are you so mad?
Fuck are you and move?
I just said, hold on 1 second. He was on the phone with me.
I don't give a shit. Move. Yeah, you laughing and shaking your head.
I'm not laughing. I'm like, why are you screaming at me, man? You're at a fire hydrant.
This is my job. I gotta be.
No, you don't.
I put up right here every day, every hour, home.
Oh my God, why are you screaming, man?
You don't move, and I'm about to hit you across your shit.
Why? Because I'm about to move, and why do you want to fight people? Why do you want to fight people?